Good afternoon, it's Elliot at Kingsbridge Automotive once again, just looking at some new stock we've got in here, and it's just started raining. Lovely jubbly. Right, I'll make it quick before I get absolutely sodden. So 330D M Sport X Drive, massive spec, finished in the mineral grey. Lovely thing. Condition wise, I've had a look round the car before starting this video. It's in really nice nick, is this one. I mean, it is, what is it now, 6 years old, crikey. Doesn't look it, does it? Aged very well, this generation of Beamer. Yeah, really nice condition, in fact. So, let's have a look inside. Again, condition-wise, oh, there's my fuel receipt. Let me just grab that. Get in trouble with accounts if I don't have that in. So, yes, condition-wise, beautiful. That oyster interior, big fan. I think the colour combination is really nice. They look relatively unsatin. Yeah, really nice condition, this thing. Let's just hop in. So, spec, we've got the M Sport Plus pack. We've got the tech pack, so head up, Harman Kardon as well, look down there, very nice. The all important panoramic roof or sunroof, whatever you want to call it. Heated steering wheel, very nice indeed. Wireless charging with enhanced Bluetooth. Wireless charging just in there. What else have we got? Comfort pack, so that gets you the comfort access, means you don't have to fondle around with the key before jumping into the car when you get your hands full at the supermarket. Very useful indeed. Memory with lumbar support. Yeah, it's a massive spec, is this one, and with this colour combination I can't see it been here for long at all. What else have we got? We got obviously got reversing camera, sat nav, you name it. Yeah, lovely thing. Cruise control as well. So yeah, another fantastic car here at Kingsbridge, I should say. 3-owner car, full history. Can't see it sitting here for long. So if you are interested, do give us a call on 01138 702 300. Thank you very much for watching.